Morning! Kumusta kayo guys? How's your day and morning? So here we are guys with Miming. As you can see with Miming. Good morning! Good morning with Miming! So guys, ito yung morning natin. Nag-coffee pa tayo guys. Sarap talaga ng coffee guys. Napakasarap. Yummy yummy. Let's have it guys. Meron tayong palabok. Hmm. Kain po tayo. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan guys? Ang morning nyo. Andito pa si Inday Joan. Kumakain-kain pa lang guys. Busy na naman ang araw ko today. I'm going to get busy na naman guys for today. Magbisihan na naman ng Inday Joan yun. So guys, parang nabusog na ako guys. Hindi ko pa naubos. Kain-kain. Kain tayo guys. Kumusta kayo dyan? Nakapag-almusal na ba ang lahat? Nakapag-coffee na ba? I feel full na guys. Diba? Thank you so much. Thank you for watching guys. Ang sarap ng coffee. Tamang-tama talaga sa init at saka ang lasa. Sarap. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day and have a nice day ahead. Keep safe everyone. Thank you for watching guys. Sa uulitin. See you.